Next question. Souls are not only the property of animal and plant life but also of rocks, running water, and many other natural objects not looked on as living by other religious sects. The above statement reflects one of the core beliefs of which one of the following religious sect, and the correct answer is B, that is Jainism. Now see, this is our history book for IELTS Prelims 2023, page number 18. Here it is mentioned the teachings of Mahavira on this Jainism chapter, page number 18. Here it is mentioned that Mahavira, he believed that every object, even the smallest particle, possesses a soul and is endowed with consciousness. That is why they observe strict non-violence. So there is a mention about soul in every particle. Therefore, B is the answer, and this question is solved from our history book.